Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to cancel your AutoDS subscription connected to your Shopify store. If you no longer need the automation or want to switch tools, it is important to properly cancel your subscription to avoid any extra charges. Let's go through how to do this on your Shopify dashboard. To cancel your AutoDS subscription, go to Settings. Once you're there, click on Apps. Here you can see AutoDS and that you're already subscribed. All you need to do is uninstall the app. Uninstalling the app will automatically cancel your AutoDS subscription. It will remove your subscription and disconnect you from the AutoDS application. Once you click Uninstall app and then confirm by clicking Uninstall, your subscription will be removed. To confirm, check your billing. AutoDS will no longer appear there. When you check your billing and AutoDS is not listed, your subscription has been successfully canceled. And that is how we cancel the AutoDS subscription on your Shopify store.